Here I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 2 that we're going to be doing a drop test on. Only way to use the phone is the stylus because the touch does not work half the time, so yeah. First drop, pocket on the back. So now we're going to do chest tight on the face. So the phone rebooted, but it's fine. Chest tight on the back. So on wood, it only cracked a little. Let's try tile. Tile, pocket height. Did not crack at all. All right, chest height on the face. It's completely fine. All right, this is about ladder height on the face. So the phone survived. Still works fine. All right, to end the video, I'm all the way up here, and we're going to drop it straight on the face. And who knew if you drop your phone from like 40 feet, it would die. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.